All right, so this just came in the mail from Amazon. The TV I just got off Amazon too. So the TV 40, and then this the entertainment stand or whatever. I would give it 5 stars, but I ain't gonna lie. I have a picture of the 3D. Like, you know how you pre-order something and you do the 3D image in your room? Y'all cap, bro. Like Amazon, y'all super cap. The 3D image is significantly bigger. And y'all ain't really gotta lie because for $38, I ain't got no complaints about this, John. If the 3D image wasn't so big compared to this, I wouldn't have nothing negative to say, right? So there's a 40-inch TV in here. Like I said, it's like my first apartment at Ohio State. The only I have like a lot of stuff like in my bedrooms and stuff, but I didn't have anything in my living room, and girls didn't like that, so I ordered a couch, TV stand, and TV off Amazon from Black Friday. And I ain't gonna lie, this is cool. So you feel me? If you're just looking for, if you like me, you feel me? Like you just got like your first little apartment or whatever, and you just need something in the living room just to have a living room set up. It's a 2 bedroom, but it ain't that big, so this is cool. Like the TV's 40 inches, looks like that. It's enough room to get a 50 or a 50. You feel me? It's enough room to get a bigger TV. Super sturdy, easy to set up. It took me like 10 minutes by myself. Takes no tools, just a little wrist work. And it's cool. I ain't gonna lie. Only reason it's not gonna give a 5-star review for me is because it's significantly bigger in the 3D. Like this thing little, but it's perfect. I ain't gonna lie. It's perfect. So I'll give y'all 4 stars, 4.5 if I could. Y'all just don't cap with your customers next time.
You see, I'm adding this and this because it's very low. I can't even see my TV. That's why I bought it, for the TV. But thank God I could do something when I add this 4 and another show, which is this one.
Hi guys, I just received my TV stand shelf. Very beautiful. Love, love, love. This is a must buy. It took me 10 minutes to put together. Super easy. Yeah, beautiful.